Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, mud guards, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.